Alright, guys, I am tired of people asking me how I make my voice sound like Daddy. I am not sure if this works with slobs or not, but with OBS, I'm gonna tell you how. First, you're gonna come to your sources section, you're gonna go to add, and then you're gonna click on add input capture device. I'm gonna name this device as my mic because it is gonna be my microphone. I'm gonna select my microphone. My microphone will be line 2 virtual audio cable. For you guys it would be different, so select your preferred microphone and click OK. With that, you're gonna click on your microphone, go to filters, right click and go to add, click on VST 2x plugin and press OK. So for you guys, this is gonna be completely empty if this is your first time using a VST plugin. And now don't worry, I'm gonna tell you how to install the G-form effect which we are gonna use for this specific filter. So to install the VST 2x plugin, you're gonna click on the link in the description. And if that's not working for you guys, you're just gonna open any browser, search G-form OBS, and from there you're gonna head to the website gvst.co.uk/beta.html, and from there you're gonna click on the G-form plugin from either of the two. My PC supports 64 bits, so I'm gonna use the 64 bits one, and so I'm gonna download that one. Now you're gonna open your folders, go to your downloads, and you're gonna find this G-form Win64 and click on that and open this up. From here it's gonna get a little complicated, but please bear with me. Go back to this PC, click on C drive, open program files. From here you're gonna search for VST plugin folder, and when you click on this folder will be completely empty for most of you guys. And from here you're gonna select gform.ddl, click and paste it over here. I'm not gonna replace my file because I don't need to replace it, but for you guys it's just gonna copy and paste. From there you're gonna go back to your OBS and the G-form effect should be showing over here. If it does not, just close all the tabs, close your OBS and restart it. It will definitely show up. From there on, what you're gonna do is go to your audio mixer, click on settings, and for the mic in audio monitoring you're gonna click on monitor and output. This is gonna help you hear yourself and will help you in setting up the effect more easily. You're gonna go back to your mic, go to filters. In the VST 2x plugin, you're gonna go and click on G-form. Now you won't be having these many effects and you don't need to worry about them. You only need to use the G-form plugin for this effect. Click on open plugin interface, and for me what I like to do is crank up the pitch to 12 and the formant to about 4. Then I go to the tweak section, reduce the minimum frequency to 30 and increase the maximum frequency to 2000, and voila, your male to female voice is done. Now you disable this filter for your normal voice and enable this filter for your female voice. Now if you want to know how I use these effects on my stream and let my chat enable these effects through the YouTube chat/Twitch chat, you can comment down below, and if enough people really want to see that, I will make a new video on that. But a short overview, I use streamer.bot, go to actions, and I have this action called something ignore that. From there you can just see this what I have, and you can follow these sub actions if you want. Just set it up for yourself. Thank you.